This is my quick unboxing of 70mm dash cam with rear set A for 100 series. Let's see what inside and how the build quality. This set comes with a rear camera with 1080p videos quality. As written here, they record both the front and rear view of a car. From one side, a huge 70mm logo is embedded. Another side, there are signs of dual video recording, car protection, wide angle and phone connection. At the bottom, they provide the video's recording capability specs. Front camera records up to 2.5K and the rear camera only records up to 1080p. To unbox, we slide the inner package sideways and lift off the top. Flip the cardboard open will reveal the cables and DC power adapter. Here is the cable connecting front camera to the rear camera. And this is the cable that connects front camera to the power adapter. It's micro USB to USB Type A. The DC power adapter with only single one output. Bonus, there's a tool for helping cabling the wires into car's roof. Second slot of the box, Laser Pocket contains user manual and guiding stickers that help to hang the cameras correctly. Now come the cameras. This is the rear side camera. The lens is freely rotatable, where we can adjust to fit the scenario. Overall, it's made of plastics, completely out of plastics, I repeat. The front-facing one is also made totally from plastics. Except the rings of the lens, it feels like metal. The best thing about it is that it can be adjusted as shown here. The power button is placed to the left side of the 2-inch screen. Unfortunately, the screen is not a touch screen. Here is the tip pointing to all of the 5 buttons it has. At the bottom, there are 4 buttons which are used to navigate the menu. To the right side, there are 3 ports. DC in 5 volts. Rear videos in. SD card port. At this point, I feel disappointed by the build quality, plastics. Anyways, we can expect more for this price with 2.5K videos capacity. So, here you have it. Xiaomi 70mm dash cam with rear set to record your road trip. Even though it's made of plastics, but it's designed to be used indoor anyways. Please stay tuned. We'll post sample videos very soon to see whether the footage quality will satisfy me or not. For the time being, I give 5/10 for the build quality, but I hope it gets 9/10 at least for the video's quality.